Hi, my name's Rob. I'm the owner of Lucid Machine Art in San Francisco. This is my shop. I've been doing this since 2015. We run the gamut from single prototypes all the way through recurring production. And so whether we're making one piece or 1,000 pieces a week, we try to ensure the highest quality in everything that we do. CNC was kind of this world that I didn't have a lot of exposure to, but on the periphery, I knew a little bit about it, when I was in college. It always seemed super cool, it combined two of the things that I'm really interested in, which is mechanical and machinery and computers, and it blends those two. With this industry, you get to take that and actually make something tangible on a CNC. That still gets me excited. Having started on Mastercam in the beginning, from way back in the day, one of the biggest things, the simulation that's built into it now and the ability to simulate and check my work before I actually come out and cut parts is incredibly helpful. Honestly, I look forward to new releases of Mastercam every year because you guys add cool stuff or things that make my life easier. How can I leverage the tools that I have by new software, new techniques, or whatever? Yeah, that gets me excited. I think 5-axis really opens the door to a lot of complex and interesting possibilities as far as manufacturing goes. I feel like we are filling a different niche in the market with the ability to, do woodwork where we hold plus or minus 5 thousandths and, things that are higher tolerance and require more care and precision. Yeah, there's a lot of high-end exacting work that goes on, in this area. People are willing to pay a premium for quality work that can be done in a quick turnaround. People come to us knowing that we can handle that kind of work and meet exacting standards and exacting quality. We've done quite a bit of work for a lot of the local museums here in town, a lot of local artists. It's really cool how excited they get to see their vision actually become something tangible. At Lucid Machine Art, we only do the highest quality work.